every single class this year. Just I am still procrastinating on my film project.
That's really good. Yeah, I need 5 more pages, bro. I'm cautiously. My nostrils are so I'm finally walking back from Powell to go eat dinner with my friend at Epic. I feel like I am somewhat on track on finishing my assignments, but I don't know. I am just really procrastinating on my film project final, which is kind of like an essay project final that is due next Monday. So I'm just very lazy and procrastinating on that. But I feel like if I actually sit down and work and start on it, I would be feeling much better about it than I am right now. It is 11 and I just woke up from a 3-hour nap. It was supposed to be a 1-hour nap, but obviously that did not go. I feel like the lack of sleep is catching up to me. Right now, I'll be working on an application for one of my clubs. I have to join another sector of that club, so I have to submit like a form. I have to write some statement of interest and also submit my resume, which I also have to edit a little bit. So that is what I'm going to do for like 40-ish minutes before I have a meeting to go to. Noon and my class starts in an hour, so I'm going to get ready for the day. I am still procrastinating on my film project, but hopefully like half of it done by tonight. The worst thing about being on quarter system is seeing every one of your friends go back home and I am still here. I look kind of stupid right now, but I swear everything will come together. Just wait. I've been here for an hour and I haven't gotten anything done yet. I was able to start on my reading and actually annotate my readings. And I was able to find most of my answers to the questions. I just really need to allocate time and make sure I do one prompt a day so I can get it done by Monday. But my progress is not good. Most of this is just the questions. It is Thursday and I just came back from my film class, my last film class of the year. I only have one more class tomorrow and I'm done with every single class this year. Just Anyways, I need to go get lunch. I have my laptop, I have my iPad and my little journal. I need to do my essays. I'm halfway through, guys. I'm halfway through. Hello guys, update. I have finished one more prompt and I'm starting my reading for the very last prompt. I'm still thinking if I want to do the extra credit for this final, but I'll see if I have time.
It's like a Polaroid love side.
What, Allison? I have too many chickens. Oh.
You have too many chickens?
촌스런 그 감정 근데 내 가슴이 뛰어
I got it, Sheila. What did you get? I got the sunlight critique. Okay, we're gonna open it now. 1, 2, 3. So good, so good. Today is my last day of school. I only have one class in the afternoon and I'll be completely done. It is officially move out season.